All right, here we are with the Guardian. Once again, I have added the third board. I'm going to go ahead and test it. I've got the speaker flipped over, so it's not going to have the sound quality it would have otherwise. But this is just for testing purposes anyway. Ooh.
Your vessel, your beginning, all that you knew is gone. Time has resumed its shape. All is as it was before. Many such journeys are possible. Let me be your gateway.
Now that third board isn't going to be a be-all end-all. All it is there for is to fill in some cold spots that were on the Guardian and divide everything up into 3 regions, just like the one you see on television. As you can see here, I've only got the one board powered up, so I'm just testing the third board. What I'm going to do now is finish epoxying all these wires into place and then cleaning up the wires so that it's not a bunch of spaghetti. Then I'm going to go ahead and test all 3 boards working together. After that, I'm going to pull the plate back off, the top plate, the face plate, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to paint where you see wires. All the wires are going to be painted white so that the light will reflect and refract and bounce around in here, and you won't get any cold spots and you won't see the wires. As you can see, I've stapled virtually every wire into place and or taped it into place and then epoxied it into place. I've got all of these exactly the way I want them, and I still yet, after I test with all 3 boards operating at the same time, may add a couple of more LEDs. I've got it all pretty well split up between white, green, aquamarine, and blue. So we'll check that out in just a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try this without the lights on and see what it looks like then. Okay, I had a couple of LEDs that were not firing, so I tweaked the sensitivity adjustment just a bit, and let's have a look at it real quick one last time. Each one of these boards has its own sensitivity. There's a potentiometer for adjusting the sensitivity, so I sat here and tweaked all 3 of them to get them all in alignment so that it looks the best and has the most reactivity to the sound files. Yeah, that's not what I wanted.
A question. Since before your sun burned hot in space, and before your race was born, I have awaited a question. I am the guardian of forever. I am my own beginning, my own ending. My answer is simply as your level of understanding makes possible. Your science knowledge is obviously primitive.
So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and cut this short because we've all heard it. I'm going to tweak it a little more and that'll be it.
I'll just keep getting stronger. You know that, don't you?